So my microphone's broken. It's kind of crazy at the minute, so yeah. This is my new skin. Can't really see it, and there's a spider coming at me. You son of a jerk. I love it. I love when this happens. Stately AFK hole. Oh gosh, okay. So glad I bumped into this, to be honest. Nice. Alright. Today, I throw out this. Because I'm vegetarian, I'm not eating meat. Who the hell does that? So, in 1.9, the skeletons are like insanely powerful. Get out here! No! Oh, shit. Oh, F my life. I hate this. Oh, no. Now I feel bad. Nice. Those skeletons. Like, those 1.9 skeletons are so overpowered. Like, Grape wasn't wrong about that. So, I'm not great at chords. I was like, joining myself, what the heck? Nice, and it's nighttime. Makes it any better. Alright. 200, 200. I'm honestly not gonna make it by full hunger. Let's be honest here, guys. Nice. This is where I died. I think this is where I died. There's a stupid skelly that can't mind his business, so. This is where I died? No. So it was at 47.65. I don't know these chords, man. Ugh. Anyways, that is it. This is my funny moment because I suck at Minecraft.